Okay, today let's talk about tonguing. So tonguing on our instrument is the way that we start the sound. Okay, it's not the way we start the air, it's the way we start the sound of our instrument. And it's what gives the start of our sound a nice, clear, crisp sound as if we've just hit a bell. So let me demonstrate. The first sound I'm going to make, I'm going to tongue the note. The second sound, I'm not going to tongue it, and so you can hear the difference. So with tonguing, okay, it's got a nice, clear start to the note. Without tonguing, so maybe you can hear that the sound is a little fuzzier at the beginning. And tonguing is also how we do different types of patterns and rhythms in our music. So tonguing might sound like, okay? And that is a nice clear sound versus if we just did that with our air. It's not quite as clear of a sound. So it's really important that we know how to tongue. And that means it's exactly like it sounds. We start the note with our tongue. Now, the way we do this is we say the word to, okay? So go ahead and say it with me. Say the word to 5 times. Two, 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 okay? Feel where your tongue is against the roof of your mouth. It should be right behind your teeth up against your gum line. So where the back of your teeth meet the roof of your mouth. Okay? That's where our tongue should rest when we say that word. Now, let's try it by blowing air through it. So instead of saying to, we're going to blow air starting with that syllable. So it'll sound like this. Okay? So that's how we're going to start the sound. Now, let's try it on our head joint. So bring your head joint up to the proper position, and let's do that 5 times. Okay? And keep practicing that. There's lots of different types of tonguing and different tonguing patterns that we can use, but by saying to, that's how we always start the note. One more important thing to know is that in between each note, we don't want to breathe. We want to blow